Hey, this is Brett with Pangea. In this video, we'll walk through the steps on creating a send-only fax user. The reason you might want to have a send-only fax user is if you have, for example, a company that has 10 users in that office, but they only have one fax number that they receive faxes to, but all users want to be able to send faxes from their desktop, you can create a send-only fax user. So they'll have that ability. They'll have unique access to the web portal or to the fax portal. Um, and I should note too that Pangea doesn't have a monthly recurring charge for a send-only fax user. We're only charging for the outbound minutes in that scenario. So in order to create a new user, we'll go to the users button and create a new user. The first thing we'll do is add the login, which will typically be the user's email address. We'll add the password. So these credentials will be used for the user to go to the fax portal and access it that way. Typically want to check the allow email to fax without a password so that the customer doesn't need to add a password when they go to send a fax via email. The email address field is required. The other contact information fields here are optional, but I will note that the fax field, you can fill this out, and even though they don't have their own unique inbound fax number per user here, you can use this fax field, and this will be the caller ID when they go to send faxes. So we'll put that one in as example. Also note the time zone could be customized per user here. We'll go ahead and click next. In the global config tab, there's different options per user that can be adjusted. We'll leave these as default for now. And we can, since we're not provisioning a new DID or porting a DID over, we can skip through allow fax to email. We can skip through allow fax to fax and go straight to the fax confirmations, where we'll input the user's email address one more time, and then they can select the different delivery confirmations that they want to receive via email. So either failure or success or both. And then they have the option here with the text and pages. I'll go ahead and click next. And then the billing settings can be customized per user. For this one, as an example, I'll charge by the page. I'll give them a 200 page per month limit. We'll reset it the first of the month, for example. Want to select a rate plan and the company that they're associated with, or if there's no company that they're associated with, we'll select that, no company. And that's it. We'll go ahead and click save. The new user is created, and that user is now able to send faxes through the service. So send faxes from their email client, they can send faxes from the web portal, and they can utilize the print to fax option as well. Hope that's helpful, and feel free to give us a call with any questions. Thanks.